Hello everyone, it's just an it's video on a newly launched Quantum Nifty 50 ETF Fund of Fund. Those who are already aware of Nifty Index Fund and looking out for fresh investment on Index Fund, you can very well consider this mutual fund. Index Fund is a big topic. I'll probably post a separate video on this. One important thing to note, you can do lump sum investment as well as systematic investment based on your wish. If you are investing in this mutual fund before August 1st, 2022, then probably you'll be getting the NAV as 10. I mean, net asset value as 10. In my opinion, I would say it's a very good mutual fund for long term. If you are planning for investment for a period of 5 to 10 years down the line, and it's not a buy recommendation. So if you are making any investments, please read the disclaimers carefully and make out your decision. Happy investing. Take care.